Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to my channel Code with Pooja Gupta. I am Pooja here and it's day 14 of our consistency and we are here to solve the DSA question related to array. So let's continue with the today's question. Today I am taking the question from a LeetCode. It is an easy level question. So the question number is 1480 and the title for the question is running sum of 1D array. Okay, so what implies that running sum? Okay, before I am not explaining you that what will be the sum of the what would be the title of the question. It will be automatically you get when we continue the description. Okay, easy level of question as I said there. So continue description. So given an array nums, we define a running sum of an array as running sum I is equals to sum I to sum 0 to sum I. Okay, so if you don't get what is the running sum here, please avoid the background sound. There is a firecrackers around my home, so please focus on my voice rather than the surrounding. Okay, so what the running sound what will be the running sum? So running sum will be like that. Let consider. Okay, so if you have an array having three elements 1 2 and 3 and also and some variable. Okay, so what will be the running sum for this array? Okay, so 1 will be sorry, what's going on? I don't know what's happening. Running sum will be 1 2 3. For running sum will be for this array will be what? So 1. Okay, 1 will be 1. Then second will store 1 plus 2. What will be the 1? For I equals to 0, the sum will be 2. For I equals to 2, what will be the sum? The sum will be 3. Okay. Then for I equals to 2, 0 1 2. So I equals to 2. What will be the sum? Here is the sum 3 and the element is 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. So here will be the 6 will be the sum. This is what the running sum. Okay, running sum means that when you iterate through, when you go through with each element of a loop of a array, you have to sum each element with the prior one, and this will continue until the end element of the array. Okay, so for this, let's continue with the examples. Input is given here that nums and an array consists elements like 1 2 3 4. Now first element will be 1 1, then 1 plus 2 will be what? 3. 3 is here. Okay, then 3 plus 3 what will be? 6. Okay, now 6 plus 4 what will be? It's 10. Okay, so the running term observed will be as like first element, then then first plus second element, then first third second third, and then first second third fourth. Okay, that's similar as the here. Okay, the running sum will be like here. The output for this will be this. Okay, now constraints. So the length of an array will be anything between 1 to 1000. Okay, so it means then array contain any number of element between 1 to 1000. Okay, and the elements of an array consist will be anything between 10 to the power minus 10 to the power minus to the power 6 to plus to the power 6. Okay, any elements. Okay, so 10 to the power 6, it means any element between 1 plus 1 crore to minus 1 crore. Okay, uh, now continue with the boilerplate code. So what they are asking for a running sum. So to store the sum we need an variable. Okay, after the variable what we have to iterate through a loop, iterate through an array. So nums dot length will be give us the limit that where from where to where we have to iterate. Okay, now uh, first we have to store sum plus equals to what? Sum plus equals to nums I. So it will sum the first prior elements. Okay, after that nums I will store sum. That's it. And by doing this we will get our array, running some array. Okay, r return return. What we have to return? We have to return nums. Okay, so I'm running, ready to run the code. Just in this in lead code, you have to just observe the thing that what the question wants. If you clearly explain and understand what the description tell, then it's very easy to solve the question. Like this question, it is an easy level of a question. Maybe in some interview, not in some interview, but in some coding question, may having less small criteria or a less for a less package. This question is expected that maybe this question will be there. Okay, so discuss 1 2 3 all our passes, ready to submit the code. And on submitting the code, I have, okay, it's a 0 ms runtime millisecond, 100%. It means code is so optimized, and it taking 42.91 MB. Okay, and with 7.30, it almost, it's 7% of people. Okay, so this is what the code is. This is what the code is here. I have written, and the description for the code, and everything is done. Okay, so I think I have done with this question for today. And if you have any doubt regarding the question that you improve me at some point, so please comment down. I will definitely get to point. And if you have anything regarding the code, that the code has some corrections and you will give me more optimized code, so please correct me, that it will help me to be more clear with my logics and also sharpen my things. Okay, so thank you everyone for being here, and please like, share and subscribe my video. It's day 14 of our consistency, and I will wish that we will make the great number of consistency together. Thank you.